Today we're breaking down SMART objectives and how they are tested on the ASWB exam. Let's keep this simple and test-ready. SMART objectives are a way to write clear, measurable, and achievable goals for clients, programs, or interventions. The acronym SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific means the goal clearly defines what needs to be accomplished. For example, instead of saying, improve coping skills, a specific goal would be, practice 2 new coping skills for stress each week. Measurable means the goal can be tracked. You should be able to see progress or know when the goal is met. Achievable means the goal is realistic for the client given their resources and abilities. Relevant ensures the goal aligns with the client's needs and priorities. Time-bound sets a clear deadline or timeframe for achieving the goal. For example, within 4 weeks, or by the end of the month. SMART objectives are widely used in social work to ensure goals are clear, actionable, and trackable. They help both clients and professionals stay focused and evaluate progress. Now, how does this appear on the ASWB exam? The exam often presents a scenario where a client has a problem or need, and you are asked to identify or write the most appropriate goal. Goals that are too vague or unmeasurable are usually incorrect, while goals that are specific, realistic, and time-bound are usually the best answer. Sometimes the question asks you to prioritize goals based on what is achievable in the client's situation. For example, if a client wants to reduce anxiety, a vague goal like, feel less anxious, is incorrect. A SMART objective would be, client will practice 2 relaxation techniques daily for the next 3 weeks to reduce anxiety symptoms. The ASWB tests your ability to create or recognize goals that are clear, measurable, and realistic, not just your knowledge of definitions. If you're studying for the ASWB exam and want help breaking down scenario-based questions like this, you don't have to do it alone. At Social Work Exam Strategies, we teach you how to analyze questions, write and evaluate goals, and choose the best answer with confidence. Using our signature strategies, prep programs, workshops, tutoring, and realistic practice questions, we help reduce test anxiety and strengthen your critical thinking skills.